My name is Andrew Ansumana, a practicing civil engineer all the way from Sierra Leone, the west coast of
Okay.
Africa. You are a God sent for
Hmm.
Africans. You are truly a God sent for Africans, and then whosoever that wants to take advantage of the situation, you explain and how to make use of it. You also try at least to guide all your students in answering questions at any time, at any hour. I pose a question. Anytime I pose a question, you are always there to respond more than even some of our physical teachers. To be honest with you and to my conscience, because if I give any statement here today just because I want to help you, it will affect me also because you don't know your loopholes. But to be honest, since I have started this class, there is no way anytime I come across the difficulties, I ask Mr. Timothy that is not there to respond. Whatever he can't you say, I'll get back onto you, let me research.
Hmm.
So with that, I knew that I don't only have, you're not only a teacher, but you're also a guardian to all
Wow.
your students. Because if a teacher is always there to teach,
Hmm.
but you're not only Mr. Timothy. I must confess, you're not only a teacher, but you're a guide. And
Wow.
I will pray for the spirit of our Pan Africanist